So today we're here with...
Hi, my name is Angelo Miguel Natividad.
Okay po, so what's your award po this graduation?
Cum laude.
Cum laude. So how does it feel nag-graduate po kayo as a cum laude?
Nung kasi nung una, it's very unexpected kasi syempre struggles, pero in the latter part naman na solve namin yung problem with the classmates. Masaya, excited, nila naman.
Ayan po. So, is graduating with Latin honors your biggest plot twist po, or is there something else?
Yes, yun na yung biggest practice kasi very unexpected. Pero, kinaya naman.
Okay po. So, being a college student, syempre we do have personal life then. How do you juggle your personal life with your academics?
Being a part-time barista and fitness instructor, mahirap sa una. Pero, pag naging routine mo na kasi, like, ma-adapt mo na siya din, the other part, magiging, like, mababalance mo. Pero, syempre, sa last, like, thesis, medyo mahirap na yung pagdadaan. So, kailangan may i-let go ka dun, kahit isa, or para, syempre, priorities.
So, before we end, I wanted to complete the sentence po. Being an ambition means...
Being resilient and smart.
Ayun po. So, do you have any message to our school and to other ambitions?
Ayun, so, to my mga naging prof ko and sa mga classmates ko, thank you, then congrats po sa atin.